Good morning. This is Inder Madan, working in Brampton and Mississauga area as an insurance broker for many years. Today I will just like to speak about critical illness insurance. What is critical illness insurance? Critical illness insurance provides lump sum cash payment in the event of diagnosis of one of the condition that is listed in your policy. And every policy has different conditions listed. It could be 3 to 24 conditions they are listed in the policy. Upon diagnosis of one of the things, the cash lump sum tax-free payment is made out by the insurance company. Why do I need critical illness? Think about that. When you're in the hospital is taking care of all the bills, including your medication. Now the hospital's budget cutting, number of beds are a lot less than before. With all these changes in the medical budget, you are coming home a lot earlier than years before was the situation. When you come home, now you have to bear all the expenses which hospital was taking care of. When you come home, your medical bills are large bills. If you're one of the lucky person, you have a medical plan and at work and drug plan at work, you're getting paid for the medicines, great. If not, you can understand the type of bills you will get for the medicines. And even if you have the medical bills paid by your company, there are a lot of medications which are not going to be covered by the under your medical plan or health and dental plan. That's the one of the concern. When you come home, what happens? You are not able to work because you're not feeling well. Who will pay the bills when you're not feeling well, you're not working? Where would the money come from to pay all the bills? You have mortgage bills, your food bills, your kids' education, your clothing, your all those daily expenses, monthly expenses. You have been making 4, 5, 6,000, whatever your income level is, your lifestyle is. You have been paying for all those bills. Now suddenly it stops. What will happen? Where would the money come from? Who will pay for the bills? Does your wife? Sure, she works. She can pay the bills. And if she goes to work, who takes care of you? And if she doesn't go to work, then who pays the bills? It's a vicious circle you cannot get out of. It's a very difficult time period for you and your family. The only thing that can help you is the money at that point. Certainly medications helping you with money. Critical illness does ease your financial burden. What does critical illness cover? There are policies, basic policies covering from 3 main illnesses like critical illness like heart attack, cancer, stroke, bypass surgery and all that, to 19 or 24 illnesses listed in the policy which are really serious. They are considered as critical, and upon diagnosis of one of the condition, the money is paid out. When you purchase a policy, you just make sure you look at the conditions covered and the definitions of the conditions they are covered for. Some of the critical illness insurance policies will pay you small amount of insurance payout in the event of certain conditions like some certain cancers, certain heart conditions. They will not be a full payment, but they will pay you 10, 15, 20 or $50,000 depending on the policy you purchased. They'll pay out that money to you when you need it because it does not take as long to get better as it would be otherwise. So there are the benefits. And personally, I call this critical savings account, critical illness savings account. What it does, because whatever you have paid in, you have an option to get it back. If you take a policy today, $500,000, God forbid something happens to you and you're one of the conditions strike you, you know that $500,000 cash lump sum tax-free payment is going to be given to you. But you're one of the lucky person, you're 65, 70, 80, whatever age, and you now think you do not wish to continue this policy, then you take all your money out and use for your retirement, make trips or do whatever you want to. So it is critical illness savings account, provides a lump sum cash payout in the event you need it most, and if you're a lucky person, you don't need it, take your money out and enjoy that. Thank you.